Let me show you some things with P. Let's assume we have a post from a blog like this, not inside div. Let me put inside P. A post like this. Let's see how it will look like. Oh, let's change it. Let's remove this. So we have a post like this. Okay, a post like this. If we check here, it is not justified. Or let me say the person write the post like this exactly. So after here, the person press enter twice before under. After here, the person press tab. You can see the way the person write the message exactly like this. Let's see how it will look like on our browser. You can see how it looks like. So there, it does not look the way it was written here. So if you want to make it to look like A, so you have some P, because it's P you want to style. You can, or if you want to add class message, then you know that you make reference to message here. That will be message. Put white space pre-line and let's see what will happen. Wow, you can see that it looks, you see the way I did it. Enter double time. You can see. So it's white space pre, and you want to make it justify. Text align justify. So it's ready. Text align justify. Let's remove this. You see that everything is justified, but because this white space is unable. But then text wrap or wrap, which is word wrap, break word. So this one does not really mean if you are using white space. So white space is very okay. If you want to capture this way someone posts, so you are going to use white space to mimic and to copy the same way it was posted. Let me show you how frame works. I don't really need CSS this time around. It's only HTML. Frame. So when dealing with frame, we don't need body self. Here we go. So frame is just a simple way you can include external website or external page or a page into this document, into a document. So what you do, if you are using iframe, you need body. You need body like this. But if you are using frame set, it's frame set I want to use this time around. We don't really need body. So you are going to use frame set. Frame boy is outdated in HTML5. They don't know how to use it again. So let's put frame set. So frame source. Now it's telling that frame set that you to start your frame. So the first frame I want to put now. Let's check the pages we have here. I have another page. I have block. I have list. So let me include anyone. List.html. I have block.html. So let me run this. You can see we don't actually know what happens until you come to this place. You now put colon. The first, you see the first web and the first page here, the second page, that means it's two pages. So you need to specify the width of the two pages. Let me use 40% by 60%. So that means the first one here will be 40, the second one will be 60. So you can see. So here is 40, here is 60. And if you want both of them to be 50-50, put it like this. Or if you want pixel for them, pixel, pixel, you see. And if you want, sometimes if we have like 50, let me say we have 70 pixel and 70%, here will be what 30%. If you don't know the calculation, you just put asterisks. So don't worry, so you calculate itself. You see, it calculates itself. You can see that everything is working perfectly. So it's like we bring one page here, making two pages into this document. So that's how frame set works. If I'm to add more page, let's say is another .html. So that means here this one, let me just put 40%, 30%, 30%. This is 100%. So I think it's complete now. See, one here, one here, one here. So it is a simple way to use frame set. And if it is only one frame you want to use, which is iframe, you can just use this like this. You need body this time around. You need body. Now use iframe is it means inline frame. So let me put this .html like this. Frame. You see that one thing is there. So this is inline.